Ahosepe Jumedi so. My neno akoye bojaye ne yewe gym and mera ho papa. Yenua achu Christian achu ono ene da for me. Ehona na free eba na ocean so say from 8 to 11 no. Dia wale Prof Wallace one na pamfo. Ebetina say ye no ho hihye bia de opese wo hu bia mpacho. Enyu afidie ni free ha say ha Adom TV ye wado ye ntino. Wallace ne na pamfo edebebro. It's very, very sad, you know. Yempo abem ye nitua say yes ye nua abem anekwa. Me need this Sunday akwa bashonko. Eba bedwe ma Ahosepe Jumedi so. Na akoya rehoda but you know still na nsem bi twagwa wa say ja. Me ka chemo kakranka me sa so hoho kese pa ofi USA abesra me Ghana memu ha say. Ansa na ebekọ ne so no. Sasha ne nsubiem se Wallace mo betina se e wo eye Adom TV so a. Enra na me nyenya calls bebre as entertainment preference ko bebre per say omo be confirm me hwanam me for the man producer bizan say wate yes a kiddie enya stroke and I'm trying to find where it started from. Here started why in a say hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel. Any bloggers are doors and they will be here on the phone laptop need data kakra bi no a blogger and then ye pe bad news sir. And I send my quite a month to mobo, engine shishimu, ehu no kre womb, and some of my kebi. Home na way for hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. I'm on channel. Yes, a kiddy daho. Now I have mind if a fair crack. I bind if a fair. I was this so bonum muffin and yami pejano, I call in pejama cassie. Oko India bonum near the why would you stroke a bono? Your best semo, your pamo choa, samba, montum bunyan shishimu, and sakra no what type and what can be. Ya tro ni so comment section me hwenkofo na na kwaketwa na say you know like okra won't say impo but opese o comment me pa mo cho kidi o okay guy na nyare ne ho ye onya stroke bia ye besre mo asem ba nya aboche ka bi ye nyina konkon adwuma ne ye ba ya so ne so kakra kidi is healthy, he is okay, very very okay. Na mo de ma sha ase no mo de ma no beka san mo beko ne so san kidi anya hwegbo na hon tew ye twam Yesu di mu emma mu da me so hwan hoden hwon kuma me du nu anwanim kidi ani nyare mo tro ya na e ba na Richie men say links entertainment o CEO obetro to ane so say kidi nyare ignore the rumors as na Richie kwa ba cha me konkon sa me du links o kwada da na me rem kwada da ebisa say guy na yam part as a time I may file a report no near say guy need benku. Who started it? You got to the bottom of story no why the sha say kiddy yan if we here started when like you know and assemble pow I turn knockout pow na drew nko for p trotro because our program no better say na home fa no ebetimi aye obre adwuma stress wom ebetimi aye obre ebetimi kwa aye kom no I trust say because of health issues means no wa postpone the shows no ehwa na why kwa na kan stroke no yep bad news and it's very very bad to the extent that when people are doing good things mom you pay attention to more when people have talent I will see you pushing mom way kametimi dia ye bi afina me dey betwem say kid nya stroke ha adwen ade achi bia mu pewuo okwa ye we yatade okwa ye akoye den please na me come sister o free US or no mabana answer kwa no mbom paye makidi na yen so eja paye enfama no bedi hi how you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm sure I so anya ni sleve ha adwen efa
my kuma phone o have one
efa
Ay.
Obi a wo hwe wo na edi kan a wo hwe wo make say in few words sentence we hwan Joanna ye hwan Mr. Introduce yourselves to the people.
Oh, okay. I'm Joanna Joanna Baby. An upcoming gospel artist. Yeah. Basically in gospel music industry. Yeah, I'm married with 2 kids. Yes, I have a beautiful family.
And what Chanko, so you know, Mr. Sandy was single, Miss Stray Pass, watching Mamma. Oh, my Jumana is simple crab, mammy. Bad news and sense me are making. You know, say people have talents, Ghana and Kofu pure talent, I was say, yes, selling. Yeah, bad news, do, and I want to be aging. What am I aging? Bibi say I how because social talent, I was see a push near the church on Simpson. As an artist, what do you have to say about issues weighing bad news, negativity? No?
Yeah, it's really bad.
Yeah.
You know, I don't know why we human beings like we prefer bad news or to hear something happens to a fellow human being and then, you know, we talk about it. Most of these things might not be true, but they want to make a name too. You know. So they have to come out with something which is really bad.
Serious.
Because the devil is already out there to destroy, to kill. So if you come out doing all this stuff, they will be happy and they're going to come in and do whatever they want to do, which is really bad.
Serious. You click kakra for back like no views kakra likes comments kakra obi nyentino. Unjunya ho now dey to honum. Yenko homecoming so April next month.
Badwam.
Oh, homecoming.
Badwam.
Homecoming show concert. After all, like when last now about Ghana?
Well, for about 5 years now, I haven't been.
Oh, tell you homecoming, no?
Yes.
I don't know. A Juma na family and a Mamba Ghana show and I say there.
Oh, it's all about my music career. Coming back to launch my music career.
Okay.
Yeah.
But what about Nache?
Yeah.
Oh, how many years?
Okay, for me to come fully into the music, gospel music, is about, let me say, 6 years. 6 years. But before then, I sing as a normal singer. Yeah, but but 6 years when I started coming out with my own. I write songs.
Okay, one out on you. That's nice. We see a mommy and fine check aqua ice that switch them or buy and chair which my tree and a dink aqua man, but so what's me the Nico, my green after Ghana man to cry, but your vote if an alfie. Hohoy, chow for kum casemame.
No, Agbenzina Miakata.
No, Miakata, no, chow mammy.
You like me for a hammer for Madoja Nabi. A ballet mila nyekpoma, fi kemila. It's Nyapa Vava Badwam. Blenyepa program you come do to ama. Ye nama valafia. Okay. Akpenami.
Akpenami akata. You know, crass legs, the slangs I can't name, you know. You have a new song, Winner. You're showing real quick near Sam back to. Okay. What's it? I was mommy heard Juan. A winner and right Sisia. Yami Adom 2nd of April no ho ya dia homecoming no ya de beba so pasho ma me final words na yenja ebusia for kwan.
Oh, okay. I just want to invite you to my homecoming and EP launch, and I want you to come in your numbers, be of support. The program is starting 5 o'clock on the 2nd of April, and it's going to be atmosphere of worship. That will be on the Sunday, atmosphere of worship. Okay. We have some days that we gonna do donations. Okay. To Hokwe governments, children, mothers, and babies units. Okay. And then also pay homage to the chief executive.
Ahosepe so nya dache me best friend man pay. Yami Adom 2nd year, but also t-shirt 5 Joanna homecoming. Enti we dey be ma krum for. Me ma krum for. Omo na ben ho hono. Enti no me da Ahosepe say obaye. Enti me yesa mo nwum ne fa nja ne kwan. Joanne, thanks for coming. Fabum.
Thank you.